Ever found yourself wondering how drop shipping works and how it could be a game changer for your business? Well, you're not alone. Drop shipping has been making waves in the entrepreneurial world, turning traditional retail on its head. Imagine this. Instead of stocking up on inventory, storing it, and then shipping it out to your customers, you simply pass the sales order to a third-party supplier. They then ship the product directly to the customer. That's the essence of drop shipping. This business model has been growing in popularity for several reasons. First off, it has low startup costs as you don't need to invest in inventory upfront. Secondly, it offers flexibility, allowing you to offer a wide array of products without having to manage them physically. The cherry on top? It opens up a world of product selection. You can sell virtually anything without having to worry about storage or capital. Sounds intriguing, right? But how does it all come together? Stay tuned as we unravel the steps involved in dropshipping. Dropshipping might seem like a complex process, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you break it down. Firstly, you need to find a supplier. This is akin to finding a dance partner. You want someone who's reliable, a good fit, and can keep up with you. There are numerous platforms online that will connect you with potential suppliers. Do your research, compare prices, delivery times, and don't be afraid to ask questions. After all, if you're going to dance, you want to make sure your partner knows the steps. Next, set up your e-commerce store. This is your stage, where you'll showcase the products you're selling. There are several platforms that make setting up an online store as simple as pie, or let's say, as simple as buying pie online. Select a user-friendly platform that suits your needs, add your products, set your prices, and voila! Your store is ready for customers. Now here's where the magic happens. A customer places an order from your store. The joy of getting that first order is like finding a golden ticket in your chocolate bar. It's exhilarating. But remember, the work doesn't stop here. Once an order is placed, it's time to forward it to your supplier. This is like passing the baton in a relay race. You've run your part, now it's time to hand it over. You send the order details to your supplier, and they take it from there. Lastly, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You don't have to worry about inventory management or shipping logistics. It's like having your cake and eating it too, without the hassle of baking it yourself. And there you have it, the basic steps to drop shipping. But remember, the devil is in the details. Let's delve into some key points you should keep in mind. While dropshipping might sound like the perfect business model, it's important to understand some key points. First off, you'll want to ensure you're dealing with reliable suppliers. Nothing can sink a dropshipping business faster than a supplier who can't deliver. You're entrusting your business's reputation to these suppliers, so it's crucial to do your homework. Look for suppliers with established track records and positive reviews. Secondly, don't underestimate the importance of customer service. You might not be handling the products directly, but you're still the face of your business. If a customer has an issue, they'll be coming to you, not your supplier. Make sure you're ready to handle any problems that might arise and always aim to exceed customer expectations. Thirdly, be aware of the potential for low profit margins. Dropshipping is a highly competitive market, and many products have slim profit margins. It's essential to find a balance between competitive pricing and profitability. Lastly, don't forget the power of effective marketing strategies. You could have the best products and the most reliable suppliers, but if no one knows about your store, you're not going to make sales. Utilize social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your store. Remember, drop shipping, like any other business, requires dedication, research, and a bit of trial and error. So, that's a quick rundown on how drop shipping works. Intriguing, isn't it? To recap, drop shipping is a unique business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. It's a strategic game of understanding your market and leveraging relationships with suppliers. If played right, it could be your ticket to a thriving online business. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll explore other exciting ways to earn money online. Until then, keep dreaming, keep hustling.